Barbra Streisand.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. I will be doing this. I've just downloaded an app on my phone where you can play all kinds of voices, and I just downloaded each one of them for you guys. And yes, that's what I will be doing, trying to lip sync them. So let's have a look at some of these. One of my favorites. Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro. That was all by myself, as you can see. I don't even know this one, but I'm just going to play it to you because it sounds ridiculously stupid.
He's climbing your window, he's snatching your people up, trying to rape them, so y'all need to hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, hide your kids, hide your wife, and hide your husband, because they're raping everybody out here. Brasil!
Boom! Claps on my heart, the pico. Thought I pressed it. I got a feeling that's going to go on for ages. Wow, you can see myself in my eyes. Hello, is it me you're looking? Eye of the tiger. Chameleon, bro. Aww.
Well, this thing is worthless, like my Palestinian alarm clock. Allahu Akbar!
Whoa, smoke. No, that's not smoke. I don't wanna.
It's Friday, Friday, gotta get down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, Friday, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend.
Well, Well, we do wish it could be Friday, but it's a Tuesday. Hipster bruh.
Harry Potter is dead!
Hey, Apple. Apple. Hey. Hey, Apple. Hey, Apple.
Okay.
You smell chicken casserole if you had it.
No. John Sam?
No. Come on, Sam. Get right here. Chucking claws at me. Abuse.
What's that leaving away?
So have a look which ones I got choices on mine. Oh yeah, this is getting dressed for my dad. No. That's how official he is. My swaggy jacket. Some trousers. Whoa!
Where's the football?
Look, LA 61.
Where's your football top?
LA. No, is that? No, that would be 91. Yeah, LA 91. It says on my trousers.
Jack, I haven't got your football top yet now.
LA 91 on them. Bruh, 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 bruh.
Your football top?
My bail.
Yeah.
My mummy's, I think. I could wear my Real Madrid one.
You're in Madrid, aren't you? What's your one?
I'm an Argentinian Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi.
Right, Mom?
No,
Yes, you know that now.
no, no. No, she's terrible, she's terrible dumb. Yeah. Right, that was Noises Part 1. Sorry, my dad walked in. I will do another video. Actually, no. Let's just stay. I'm just gonna get dressed. I'll get dressed as fast as I can, bruh. I can stay there for now. So come on. So come on. Put my top on. Welcome to Brasilia. Yeah, the reason I'm getting dressed is because I go to this club called Judo. It's not like karate. It's a bit like karate. A bit like MMA, really. Wait. Oh yeah, I go to two, MMA and judo. What's white? It's green. Why is that green? Ew. I see dead people. I see dead people. Cause my name is Jim. I'm going to fight now. So nice. I see dead people. Help me. Come on, Nana. Hey, hey. Come on, Nana. Agent Romanov is back in the room. gangster style.